you did a brilliant video once, and I was just like, man, this was like 30 seconds of pure, absolute genius. Like, that's how I run my business.
Yeah.
And the video was about, you were talking about how inflation is really bad unless you own stuff.
Of course.
You were talking about how they're printing loads of money.
Yep.
Therefore, the prices of stuff is going up.
Yep.
Therefore, if you take out debt
Yep.
and you use that debt to buy assets,
Yep.
what's going to happen is the debt's going to shrink, the assets are going to grow.
Yep.
And that's exactly how I get rich in my property business. And people don't get that. So could you maybe expand on that?
Absolutely. So basically the price of houses or assets or anything do not increase. The value of the money decreases.
Yes.
That's what effectively happens. When you buy a house for $100,000 and then you sell it later for $200,000, that house is not worth any more money. The value of the money has just gone down by 100%. And
Yeah.
that's very simple because they keep printing unlimited amounts of it. So you're right. Adopting debt, ensuring that the interest you pay on the debt is less than the appreciation you're going to get on the asset is an easy way to get rich. There are some economic Black Monday, there are some crazy things that can happen which can skew this. But effectively, the way you're describing to get rich is the way nearly everyone gets rich. It's using other people's money. It's buying an asset which is going to outpace the interest and outpace the inflation.
Yeah.
But this comes back into what I was originally saying earlier. This is why you have to be careful and make calculations based on the fact that I'm buying this house for the next 10 years. I've borrowed money to buy this house. I need to make sure this house is worth X to outpace the inflation and the interest.
But it's not hard.
Perhaps it's not. And maybe I am a pessimist. I will take that, perhaps. But when I look at
Or an optimist of how badly they're going to crash money. I think the Great British Pound is absolutely finished.
So I bought a bunch of property in Dubai.
That's good.
But so I'm not anti-property. I'm saying that a nice apartment in London and a nice apartment in Dubai are the same thing. You're actually having to analyze all these outside factors.
Yeah.
That's what you have to do.
But the thing is, though, the cost of materials have gone up so much.